Let's compute the following integral. We assume first that a is positive, and we're going to compute this integral of this function f, that's the natural log of 1 minus x over 1 plus x. This is a very familiar problem here that we can solve by just letting y equals minus x. This is the easiest change of variable that we can do. Here we change the lower bound, or the upper limit and the lower limit. When x is minus a, y is going to be a. When x is a, y is going to be minus a. And the natural log of 1 plus y over 1 minus y. This is the change of the function. And dx is going to be minus dy. Here we're going to use this minus here to the front. Okay? So we see here that we can take this minus to the front here. Okay? It's going to be the integral between a and minus a, the natural log of 1 plus y over 1 minus y dy. Here we notice two things. Okay? We see that we can flip this integral here, the bounds, okay, by just getting rid of this minus here. So therefore we have the integral between minus a and a, the natural log of 1 plus y over 1 minus y dy. Okay, if we do expand this integral, okay, we can see the following. So here the natural log of 1 plus y over 1 minus y, it's gonna be the natural log of 1 plus y minus the natural log of 1 minus y. And if we take the minus to the front, we're going to have minus the natural log of 1 minus y minus the natural log of 1 plus y. And therefore, we have this minus here, the natural log of 1 minus y over 1 plus y. Okay, therefore, we have our integral is going to be minus the natural log of 1 minus y over 1 plus y dy. And we clearly see that this is the same as this first one here with the minus sign. Okay? And if we switch to x, because the y doesn't matter, we're going to see that we can write this one as I is the integral between a and minus a of the natural log of 1 minus x over 1 plus x is equal to minus the integral between a and minus a of the natural log 1 minus x over 1 plus x dx. And this is minus I. Therefore, we get that 2i equals 0, and therefore I is 0. We could have stopped before by noticing that this function here is odd function, this one here. So the easiest way we had to do, because our interest is to do a lot of algebra. We want to do a lot of algebra, that's the key. But we could have stopped here and notice that this function, f of x, the natural log of 1 minus x over 1 plus x is, when we switch to f of minus x, is going to be minus f of x. Okay? And this means that our function is odd. Okay? And when we have an odd function and we are integrating, the integral is always 0. So here, when you have an odd function, it's symmetric with respect to the origin. So this is my, let's say, this is my a, this is my minus a. When I integrate, I get this area, which is positive, and this is the negative part of it. It's symmetric. So therefore, when I add them, I get 0. This is what happens here. We could have done this by just taking this one, and calling it f, and proving that f of minus x is minus f of x. But anyways, it's good to train and use change of variable and arrive at the same result. Thank you very much.